What's up? We're back for another Domingo Design Day. My name is Bobby K. I'm a professional landscape designer and installer, and 60 seconds, yeah, for the tips. It might be a little bit longer, so hang in there with me. I love to do these videos. I love to help people. That's what I do on this channel. If you're a DIYer, landscape lover, those interested in landscape design, this is the spot for you. Consider subscribing, click the like button, all that good stuff. Here's what I want to do. I'm going to take you through a design that's on a lot of property. It's about 3 acres, but we're going to focus on a couple different things. But of course, I want to show you the whole design. So let's take 15 seconds. We'll go see the design, come back, and I'm going to give you out a DIY tip, a design tip, and a money-saving tip, and I'll send you on your merry way. I appreciate it. Oh, let's rock! We are back from the design. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you saw some really cool stuff that you can apply to your space. Here's where we get into the tips. First one, I want to talk a design tip. So here's the design tip for this is pick a theme. And what I mean by that is there's lots of different styles. This particular homeowner, they wanted to go with more of a lodgy theme to fit their beautiful home. So I thought that bringing a native concept with lots of free-flowing, warm perennials and just grasses and all this cool stuff could be neat. What I want you to look at is this specific bed with the sundial. Simplicity is the tip that I want to give to you. It doesn't have to be a million things in this bed. If you do just one thing, sometimes it makes that focal point, the sundial, really pop. Tip number 2, as you can see, there's a lot going on in this place and it can get quite pricey when you got lots and lots of plants and trees and all that good stuff. So think about spacing. That's your tip. Space things out and not as close together so that you're not spending as much money on plants. Done. Tip number 3 is your DIY tip. I want you to go down and look at the links that I have and click on this link that's gonna tell you how to calculate the square footage of how much mulch you'll need, rock, or even a base. If you're gonna put in a paver walkway and you need 4 inches and you know it's 30 feet by 3 feet wide, this will tell you exactly how many yards you need. It is an awesome place. Go there and you'll find out exactly what you need. I know I smoked that. That had to be under 60 seconds. I'm long-winded, but I sure hope that I fulfilled on that promise. So here's what I want you to do. If you want to dive deeper or you're interested in getting your own Bobby K design, go check out my website. That's bobbykdesigns.com. Super easy. It's down in the links. I appreciate you. Another Domingo Design Day is coming out next Sunday. We're going to have 3 more tips. I'm going to show you some cool stuff, have you on your way. Again, this is Bobby K saying creation is everything, so go out, create.